What's up, homies? Welcome back to my channel. Let's make some pumpkin with saltfish. If you've been following me for a while, you know I like pumpkin. It's on my channel a few times already, and we're gonna make it again today. Pumpkin with saltfish. I will be using my mom's recipe, straight out of Linden, Guyana. And actually, I'm gonna call her.
Say, Mom, how do you make your saltfish with pumpkin? Stick around.
How dare she not answer my call? I'm calling her back. Phoning your mom is very hard because she's not picking up. While we wait on her to answer the phone call. When I was a little girl, I was told that pumpkin make your eyes bright. And so I guess I like pumpkin for that reason. And if you can tell, I have very bright, big eyes. They used to be very big. She's still not answering. Michael? Okay. Okay. Be nice. I'm warning you. How do you make your pumpkin and saltfish?
You full serious, yeah? I just cook my saltfish separate and then cook my pumpkin. And if you feel like at the end, you add it in.
What does that mean, mommy? You cook your saltfish by itself and cook your pumpkin by itself?
You cook the pumpkin by itself.
And then you combine the two?
Yes, that's what I do.
And so when you combine the two, what happens?
Well, get pumpkin and saltfish.
Mommy!
When you combine the two, you cook it more or you just add it and stir and you're done?
Cheryl, say hello to my followers.
Who are they? Hello.
So it seems as though I'll be doing the pumpkin the way my mom said. So it's going to be coming straight out of Linden, Guyana. Cheryl, 5 pumpkin and saltfish. Let's get cooking. So this is the saltfish I'll be using. I just want to quickly note that this saltfish is pollock, and so it's different from the shark. It's a little bit more thin and flimsy, as we would say. And it will vary from the one that you will get in Guyana. So this is the one I use, and as you can tell, there's not much meat to it, so it amounts to nothing quickly. So if you're using something a little bit more solid, kindly adjust, maybe go with less saltfish, but adjust accordingly. So I usually soak my saltfish overnight, and then you just boil it. And while that's going, I will start on my pumpkin. And I will just chop this up. I think this is about close to 3 pounds of pumpkin. So the ingredients I'm using, my aromatics are gonna be a onion, garlic, my greens, tomatoes, a little piece of ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, and 1 hot pepper. Yes, I like to use a lot of garlic because, hey, saltfish need a lot of garlic. Garlic is good for you. And 1 hot pepper. This pepper was in the freezer. That's what I'll be using. So in this pan I have about a tablespoon of olive oil. I try not to use too much oil. I'm adding half of the onions and all of the garlic that I had chopped up. I'm gonna grate an inch piece of ginger in here, add my chopped tomatoes, add my scallions, and now I put my saltfish. Simple, right? Work that in, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of shadow bendy, hope I'm saying that right, and a little bit of parsley. I like my green bits, I keep saying this all the time. And now I'm gonna use this South African smoke seasoning that I got from Trader Joe's. You can just use black pepper or crushed pepper, some dry thyme, and a squeeze of lemon, and that's it. Your saltfish is done. After you just stew it up a bit, take it out the pot or the pan, and then I put a new little drizzle there of olive oil again, add my reserve onions, add my chopped pumpkin, add a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, a teaspoon of brown sugar, add a little bit of parsley in there, and then cover and let it cook until it's nice and mushy the way you want it. Add my salted saltfish in there, and that's going to give it all the flavor, and you mix, and basically it's that simple. It's done. I'm putting a dash of cardamom powder, but you can skip this part if you like. But here you have your pumpkin ready to go with your rice, with your roti, with your bread, whatever. Voila, beautiful. Now enjoy this little conversation that continued with my mom and my family.
I have another version. Because you could cook your saltfish and then you add the pumpkin in and then cook the pumpkin with the saltfish. You overcook the pumpkin? You overcook the pumpkin?
No, I overcook the saltfish, then saltfish mix it in. Then you cook the saltfish, then add it on top.
Who's in your house? You got a lot of money.
Who's in your house? Red.
You wearing PPP color?
Red.
Good morning.
I see you do a great job cooking. Wonderful.
I'm trying to get Cherry recipe.
You need to. But you have the touch.
Thank you.
The recipe is one thing, but you gotta get it touch.
Well, I was born with the touch.
Thanks very much. Wonderful, wonderful. It's in the gene.
Too much.
Exactly.
Wonderful. Keep it up, keep it up.
Okay.
I'm proud of you. I like your face.
Thank you. It's a healthy face, you know? 5E.
Good morning.
Morning.
Be good.
You're wearing green. You're wearing parrot. Or you're wearing pineapple.
So, that was my conversation with my mom.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment below if you enjoyed it. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!